Shanghai Orca Transmission Equipment Company Limited, and Jiangsu All-Nice Automation Equipment Company Limited is an integrated company engaged in the research and development, design, manufacture, and sale of automation equipment, chain scrapper conveyors, etc. Insisting on the operations principle of quality-based and service first. Our company has won a high reputation through many years of development. We also cooperate with some well-known domestic and overseas enterprises. Our head office, located in Shanghai City, China's special economic area. New factory located in Jiangsu Province, covers an area of 15,000 square meters. There are 3 main buildings: office building, conveyor assembly workshop, and production workshop. More than 10 injections for production. Hundreds of items models for meeting customer variety requirements. Our main products are modular belt, flat top chain, flexible chain, conveyor system, comb, rail, sprocket, and other conveyor components. They are widely used in food, soft drink, packaging and manufacturing, tobacco, medicine and chemical, electronics, automobiles, and logistics industries. Our brand is High-Rise. We're researching and developing new products continuously. We also possess a large group of experienced sales personnel to provide high-quality after-sales services and create benefits for your company. On the basis of mutual benefit, we will meet your requirements with sufficient inventory, reasonable price, and complete service system. Welcome to visit our office and factory. Looking forward to cooperating with your esteemed company in the near future. Thank you.